If some Srividya sadhak on his/her spiritual path always encounter parrots in reality and in dhyana too, what validations hold, or it just mere like any other ritual? I need to mention one line in Lalita Sahasranama. It says, Murta Amurta Anitya Trupta. And another line says, Vyakta Vyakta Swarup. Mula Prakriti Abhyakta Vyakta Vyakta Swarupini. These two lines help us to understand this incident. At a deeper level, any acquaintance, whether it's an animal, insect, bird, human being, is done with a purpose. There's a specific time these people are to meet, and specific time these person and animal has to get an encounter. Because at higher level, everything is same. There is no difference between an animal, and a human being. It's a jiva. Far as the body cover is different, so it's been Jantunam Naradharma Durlabham. There also you should not forget Jantunam Naradharma Durlabham. That means even the human is also included in the Jantuna. So having said that, Mula Prakriti Abhyakta, that means the source is not visible. It's only, it can be experienceable but not visible. It is beyond Shabda, Spasa, Rupa, Rasa, Gandhas. Beyond the senses. But when you get connected to that, the beyond senses energy called Mula Prakriti, Abhyakta, Vyakta, Abhyakta Swarupini, it becomes transparent to you. You can see that in a form. And the form is dependent on the sound you are producing in the name of a sloka or a mantra. So when you recite Rajashyamala mantram, Aim Dream Dream Aim Kleem Sau Om Namo Bhagavati Sri Matangishwari Sarvajana Manohari Sarva Mukharandini Dream 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 Sarvarajavashankari Sarva Sri Purushavashankari Sarva Dushta Mrigavashankari Sarva Sattvavashankari Sarva Lokavashankari Sarvam Meva Samanaya Swaha Sau Kleem Aim Srim Dream Aim. This is the mantra. It's like a music. So when you recite this mantra, the parrots will come. Not now, and one incident, but when you have a lifestyle where you recite the Rajashyamala mantra for so many months, so many years, then you get connected to the energy on a permanent basis. Then that energy will take the form of a parrot because your sound is producing the form of a parrot for the same Mula Prakriti. Om Srim Ring Kling Glom Gam Ganapati Varavarna Saradharame Smahani Swaha. Elephant will come because you are getting connected to an elephant god and called Ganapati. So it is real. Everything is real. If you think it's real, it's real. If you think it's a hallucination, yesterday only I told, you think it's a solution for a problem. And I think it's a delusion. Because there is no solution for the problem. The problem is created based on your karmic effect. If you think that you are solving the problem, that's a delusion. So it's all in the mind game. I recite a mantra and a parrot comes. Not only parrot, anything that happens before you is God's grace. I need to be in the state. Anything. She's constantly responding. because my mind is expecting something else. If a small kitten, looks at you when you're doing prayer and says, meow, can you think that mother is saying, hello, responding to your prayers? Yeah, see, prayer mother is showing a kitten to me. See, that's a manifestation. Why should I refer a cat and not a cow? Because the cat is there. You want any more proof? When you think of that, it will be there. Not only for me, for anybody. That's why you always have a habit of thinking good. Stotra. Stotra, that good name, that good statement, tra, which protects you, is called stotra. So keep on saying Sindhuran Vigraham. Yesterday, somebody at my Peetham was saying, Ranganatha has come into her dreams with Andal. Well, God is formless. When she is so constantly thinking about Sri Rangam, what can he do? That formless entity will attain a form, will attain a gender, and Achyuta becomes Chuta with great compassion towards the Bhakta and comes before. So, whatever happens because of your mantra or without the mantra, it's still a reality. Everything has got a reason. And you don't need to know the reason, but always it's all good. This is where the mind needs to expand. Right? The Chandi part, in the 10th chapter, I'll always ask the people, after all the one by one demons are killed, Madhukaidaba, Chandamunda, Sumbarimba, and all the Sumbarimba are also killed. So who are there? Nobody. When the devatas are there, you're missing. Because your mind is constantly focused on only on the demon, and when the demons are done, you think that it's empty. No. So anyways, everybody has got power of manifestation. If you want to see the same God in a form, and you want to feel the touch, listen to that, sure, you can also see them like Kabir Surda. Only thing is, you need to keep mother as the priority. And in a 24-hour schedule, maximum, I say maximum, you need to keep on saying the same name. Mananat Trayati iti mantraha. Om Namo Narayanaya. This is Margathisham. From 2 days back, the month has started. Whole of the month, if you recite Vishnu mantra, same Lalita you are worshipping, but now a variety, in a different name. Om Namo Narayanaya. Definitely you will have some divine experience. But it all depends upon how much time you can focus on the mantra.